You give it to them. Oh wow, they put the proper thing. This wasn't here before. Diba cool? This is our traditional headgear. Many tourists. Hello po. Ay, tumawid siya. So they have multiple rooms here, but first I'm going to tour you into my parents' room. First, I guess before I go to the bedroom, I'm gonna show you the toilet. Oh wow, so modern and very clean. Look at this. You already have your hands up. Hi everyone. Towels, shampoo and body wash, and a rain shower. It's well lit. Got the AC over there, and the bed, which is super nice and soft. And you wake up with a view if you open the drapes. For now, maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh wait, how do I open this? Oh, it's locked. Alright. Wow, look at this. Coconuts everywhere. And a nice little balcony right here. And currently it's low tide, but that must be beautiful when it's high tide. Okay, let's see our room. So now this is our room. It's much bigger. Look at this, there's a walk-in closet. Wait, I don't know what to do first. Okay, maybe we explore the walk-in closet before the bedroom area. So over here, oh wow, if you're going to stay a long while, you have a nice big closet right here. Wait, we're gonna open it up. Oh, sorry, we already put our stuff. But yeah, you have bathrobe towels right here. There's a safe right there. And yeah, lots of space and storage. I'm just gonna open them up just in case I missed anything, but no, I don't think I'm gonna miss anything. But yeah, it's very nice. Now we see the bathroom. Oh wow, such big conch shells. And then yes, of course, we have a rain shower right here with also shampoo and body wash. And oh my god, I did not know we're going to have a bathtub. That's awesome. Oh, we have a bidet, just like in Europe. This is amazing. Wait, let's put on the lights for effect. Whoa, okay, now that looks even better. Wow. I want to stay here forever. Oh, and some nice little touches right here. One last look because that's really amazing. And then yes, let's move on to the bedroom. We have right here a big mirror for like a beauty section. I forgot how you call this. I can't English anymore. And then of course the big wide bed. Sorry about my shoes, they keep making noises. The bed is so wide. Still the same, soft but firm. And of course a view outside too that leads to the balcony. Oh my goodness, these seats right here reminds me of my childhood. My grandma likes these chairs a lot. And I'm not sure if this is a design here in Batanes, but I've never seen this kind of design elsewhere. But I love these chairs. It's nice to lounge and have coffee right here. I don't drink coffee, but you guys can drink it just right here. We have a view a bit of the sea right here, but just a bit. Okay, let's go back in because it's hot. Hot. Look at this. Perfect staycation when you're here in Batanes. The only thing missing is the TV, which is okay. I think they're still going to install it, but that's all right. Now I want to show you the upstairs or rooftop area. Wait, I thought. All right. Wow. Okay, where's Frank? He's supposed to be here taking drone photos. Look at this! So this is the whole of Mahatao. There's a small little lighthouse over there. The whole district of it. Oh boy, it's so hot. But yeah, you got a nice view over here. Oh, the goatie. Where's the goat? There's a cute goat somewhere here. So guys, this isn't really where I grew up, but this is the next big town after Basco. And it's nice. I remember coming here when I was a child, especially for school programs and even some school dances, I believe. I think I was even meeting up a boy here. Oh, but it's so nice to be back here, and even nicer that we get to stay in a nice place like this. And of course, that Frank finally managed to see Batanes finally after coming to the Philippines for so many times. Oh, so much has changed. In a good way, I guess. I hope. And for now, we're just gonna explore around while we wait for lunch. Oh my god, is there Kadin is what we call a goat. No, that's the mom, I think. Where's the little kid? Oh, yeah. Where's the baby now? Ah, why are you here? Why are you chained here? Oh my god, he's so cute. Who's a cutie? Oh, he's friendly. No, it's fine. You can touch him.
You say this and then you don't want to.
No, I don't want to. Oh my gosh, he's friendly. Wait. Wait, I will try to. Mimi. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Aww. Ah, he's eating. No, I'm not gonna feed you. I don't think that's what she eats. That's why. Oh my god.
Look at her kid. Look at her kid. Look.
Oh my god. Ah, wait. I'm trying to say hello to the little cutie. Oh, I think this one is less. Oh no, he is. Oh, he's so nice to people. Oh, or not. So this is the beach in front of the hotel. In my childhood, there weren't a lot of cars here. Now there are a lot, and there's even this tourist tricycle. Wow. No, they know her. La auntie. School da nasawan niya? Adanam school la ya. And now that's the church.
Mainly our James.
So nice.
Ya, yang bayu dan ya patnekon.
Ah, bayo ya?
Bahaya ya.
It's a beautiful town. And then you will just see the port.
Yeah, you know, Gian told me that he doesn't. He only goes once a week to do the to do the anthem.
Really?
It's only once a week now. He said.
Really?
Only on Mondays.
We do it every day?
He said no more.
This one here. This one is my sister's high school. And this one here was my elementary school. Wait, right?
Kamanante may video ke.
Dawa nga eh. Sira na naman. Okay.